Another really cool form of income for musicians is getting their music on like movies and film. A lot of artists have like music just sitting on a hard drive that they know is awesome, but they don't know what to do with it. So there's actually syncing agents, placement houses, trailer houses, that their job is specifically to get music and get it placed. Typically they do a 50-50 split. So let's say they get your music placed on a movie for like $50,000 or $10,000 or $5,000, whatever that is. They usually split it with you 50%. So if it's a $10,000 placement, they'll pay you $5,000, they make $5,000. You can have a really good relationship with one agent and it can change your life. Their job, like they actually get paid and they're given a budget to go out and find artists, to find composers, to find musicians, and pay them to get the rights to use their music on movies, film, video games, commercials. And sometimes they have small budgets, like maybe their budget's only $50,000 and they have to get like 10 songs for the movie. Well, that's great. That's why they go to independent artists, because if they were licensing like a Beyonce song, that could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars or even in the millions. We have our list of syncing agents actually available. We've done all the work. We have all their contact information and everything. So that way an artist can just focus on just submitting their music rather than focusing on trying to find all these places.